why and how the wealthy got to where they are. Wealth. It's a term that elicits different reactions from different people. To some, it's a far-flung dream, to others, it's a tangible goal. But what is wealth, really? Is it just a pile of money, a fleet of fancy cars, a collection of luxurious mansions? Or is it something more, something deeper, more substantial? Wealth, dear listeners, is not a destination. It's a journey that begins with a single step and continues with many more. It's a process, a continuum, and it's a process that's accessible to everyone, regardless of where they're starting from. This journey to wealth isn't a sprint, it's more of a marathon. And like any marathon, it's not about who gets to the finish line first, it's about who stays the course, who perseveres through the ups and downs, who keeps pushing forward no matter what. So how does one embark on this journey? How does one navigate the twists and turns, the highs and lows, the challenges and triumphs? That's where the 7 stages of wealth creation come into play. These stages aren't just steps on a ladder to financial success. They're more like signposts on the road to financial freedom. They guide us, they shape us. They help us make informed decisions. They serve as a roadmap, illuminating the path to wealth and empowering us to steer our financial future in the direction we desire. Each of these 7 stages is a crucial component of the wealth creation process, each playing a unique role in shaping our financial destiny. Now you might be wondering, what do these stages entail? How do they work? And how can they be leveraged to maximize wealth creation? Well, that's exactly what we're about to explore. So buckle up, folks. It's time to embark on an exhilarating journey. Let's delve deeper into these stages and unlock the secrets of wealth creation. The first stage, and perhaps the most fundamental, is earnings. Let's unwrap this a bit. You see, the journey to wealth creation begins with earning an income. It's the seed from which the tree of wealth grows. But it's not just about earning an income. It's about increasing it over time. How do you do so? Well, several avenues can help you boost your earnings. Skills and education, for instance, are a solid foundation. The more skills you have, the higher your value in the job market. Going back to school or taking online courses can propel you into higher income brackets. But that's not all. Entrepreneurship is another powerful tool. It's about seeing opportunities, taking risks, and reaping rewards. Creating a business can lead to exponential growth in your income and therefore your wealth. So what's the message here? Keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing your boundaries. Remember, your earning potential is your wealth creation starting point. Once you start earning, the next stage is saving. Now let's delve into the art of saving. It's not just about stashing away a few notes here and there. No, it's about developing a habit, a mindset. It's about understanding that every penny saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Let's think about it. The money you save today is the money that will work for you tomorrow. Saving is the cornerstone of wealth creation. It's the safety net that catches you when life throws curveballs your way. It's the seed that sprouts the tree of wealth. The trick is to live below your means. Yes, that might mean skipping that daily latte or holding off on the latest gadget. But remember, each sacrifice is an investment in your future. It's a testament to your financial discipline. So remember, wealth creation is not about how much you earn, but how much you save and keep. Now that you're saving, it's time to make your money work for you through investing. Investing, you see, is like planting seeds today, so you can harvest a fruitful bounty tomorrow. It's the engine that accelerates your wealth creation journey, taking you from just saving to truly growing your wealth. Imagine this, every dollar you save can be a seed, a potential tree in your financial forest. And the magic of investing is in its variety. There are stocks where you buy a piece of a company and ride along its success. There are bonds where you lend your money to a company or government for a guaranteed return. And then there's real estate, a tangible asset that can provide both income and appreciation. Each investment vehicle has its own potential and risks, and understanding these is crucial in making informed decisions. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about consistent growth over time. Investing wisely is the key to multiplying your savings. With investments come risks. The fourth stage, protection, is about safeguarding your wealth. Let's consider a ship braving the stormy seas. Without a robust hull and a vigilant crew, the ship is at the mercy of the waves. Similarly, Your wealth, without proper protection, is vulnerable to the unpredictable storms of life. Insurance is one of the most common and vital forms of protection. It acts like a life jacket, keeping your wealth afloat amidst potential financial downpours. From health and life insurance to coverage for your investments, these protective measures ensure that unfortunate events don't deplete your hard-earned savings. But protection doesn't stop at insurance. It extends to creating an emergency fund, having a diversified portfolio, and even maintaining a good credit score. These measures act as buffers, mitigating risks and providing a safety net for your wealth. It's not just about growing your wealth, but also about defending it from potential setbacks. Protecting your wealth ensures that your journey towards wealth creation is uninterrupted. Having protected your wealth, it's now time to focus on wealth building. The journey of wealth creation doesn't end with mere protection. It's about nurturing and growing that wealth. And how do we do that? By adopting strategies like diversifying investments, reinvesting profits, and long-term planning. Let's start with diversification. It's the classic case of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Divide your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. This way, even if one sector experiences a downturn, your other investments can cushion the impact. It's like having your financial safety net. Next up is reinvesting. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and bigger. That's the power of reinvesting. Instead of consuming the profits you make from your investments, put them back into the market. This creates a compounding effect where your wealth grows exponentially over time. But here's the thing about wealth building. It's not just about making more money. It's also about increasing your net worth. That includes reducing liabilities and debts. So, while you're focusing on growing your investments, don't forget to also keep an eye on your debts and liabilities. Minimizing these is another effective strategy to increase your net worth. Lastly, remember that wealth building requires long-term planning. It's not about making a quick buck. It's about consistent growth over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't just plant the seed and expect a full-grown tree the next day. You have to water it, give it sunlight, and protect it from pests. Similarly, wealth building requires patience, consistent effort, and a lot of nurturing. In essence, wealth building is a multifaceted process. It's about diversifying investments to spread risk, reinvesting profits to harness compounding, reducing liabilities to increase net worth, and adopting a long-term perspective. It's a journey, and like any journey, it requires careful planning, patience, and persistence. Wealth building is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Once you've built your wealth, the next stage is preservation. Now, this isn't about stuffing your money under a mattress. It's about making smart financial decisions that maintain and even enhance your wealth over time. Think of your wealth like a well-tended garden. It needs regular care and sometimes careful pruning. This might involve minimizing taxes through legal avenues, diversifying your investments to spread risk, and regularly reviewing your financial plan to ensure it's still serving you well. Preserving wealth also means avoiding unnecessary risks. It's not about chasing the next big thing or jumping on every investment bandwagon that comes along. It's about steady, thoughtful management of your assets. And remember, preservation is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process, a long-term strategy that adapts with your changing circumstances and goals. Wealth preservation ensures that your wealth continues to serve you in the long run. The final stage of wealth creation is transfer. Now, what exactly does this mean? It's about looking beyond your own lifetime and considering the future generations. It's about leaving a legacy that's not just about wealth, but also about values and principles that have guided your journey to wealth creation. Estate planning is a crucial part of this stage. It's about making sure that your wealth is transferred to the people you care about, or causes that you're passionate about, in the most efficient way possible. It involves creating a will, setting up trusts, and minimizing taxes, among other things. But why is estate planning important? Well, without it, you leave the distribution of your assets to the laws of the land, which might not align with your wishes. It can also lead to unnecessary disputes and legal complications. By planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth transfer of your wealth and avoid putting your loved ones through unnecessary stress. Now, let's talk about leaving a financial legacy. You see, it's not just about passing on money or assets, It's about instilling financial wisdom in the next generations. This could be through teaching them about saving, investing, and wealth management, or setting up scholarship funds or endowments that can help others get a leg up in life. Remember, wealth is not just about accumulating money. It's about using that money to create a positive impact. When you leave a financial legacy, you're not just leaving money behind. You're leaving a roadmap for others to follow and a foundation for them to build upon. So, as you journey through the stages of wealth creation, don't forget the final stage, transfer. Start planning now. Seek professional advice if necessary. It's never too early to start thinking about the legacy you want to leave behind. Wealth creation is not just about you, it's about creating a legacy for generations to come. Wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. This powerful statement encapsulates our exploration of the 7 stages of wealth creation. From earning your first paycheck to diligently saving and intelligently investing, each stage is a stepping stone towards financial independence. Protection shields your hard-earned wealth from life's unexpected twists and turns, while wealth building helps you multiply your assets and increase your net worth. Preservation ensures your wealth remains intact, safeguarding your future and that of your loved ones. Lastly, the transfer stage allows your wealth to be a legacy, benefiting generations to come. Each stage is a crucial piece of the puzzle, shaping your financial future and ultimately, your quality of life. The path to wealth creation can be challenging, but remember, it's a journey. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards financial freedom. Start your journey to wealth creation today. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content that empowers your financial future. Remember to always take action and believe in yourself. I will see you in the next video.